And good day. Today we're having a look at this little piece of plastic here. That used to be my Insta360 Remote Controller Clip that went over the top of the Selfie Stick here, the one made by Insta360 themselves. I only got one use out of it and it broke very first time I used it, so I wasn't overly happy with that, but so be it. And I thought, well, I'll just go and buy another one. I went to the Insta360 website and they don't stock them, they don't sell them, so that left me with no choice but to make my own. So I pulled out Fusion 360, sat down, and I went through 3 different designs. The final version is this one here. And I'm quite happy with this. It can be printed without any supports and it's quite strong, nice fit as you can see there, and most importantly snaps in place and doesn't break, which is even better. Now this can be printed by anybody obviously with a printer. Those people that don't have the access to print it can get a friend to do it or go to a print bureau. I'll have a link to the file below. And I appreciate you watching. If you haven't given me a thumbs up already, I'd appreciate it. Give me a thumbs down if you want to, but at least let me know why. I'd appreciate that as well. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the very next video. All the very best. Till then, take care. Bye.